仓十字路口直行，250米处有压线和不按规定车道，有进行拍照，请注意观察。
So if the police look in, they will let him pay na?
$500米后左转。
Pinawi go where nga? Go where? In the mountain? Ha? Abi, say hello, dali. Hello, YouTube.
Kamo.
Say hello only naman.
Isa.
170米后。
Bina. Yung signal lang dali, oh. Bina! It's okay. Diba? Ganda-ganda nga eh. Habi na. Later we make video na lang then I help you speak Tagalog. Ha? Ha? Ganun. It's okay. Same na. YouTube don't want like that video naman. Ba, ganda-ganda. We will go to the mountain. We get that much. Huh? Your friend wife said na?
You said my wife na
500米后靠右前方行驶。
Your friend wife.
So go asking you USDT. I don't know.
I don't think that things naman cause ganda. Oh.
I tell you so many things.
Now I'm so boring. I can make anything na. Oh, you want me dance in TikTok? Okay na, I will dance na. I will sing in there also na. Go back na. Ha?
Nah,
Go back na.
where?
Philippines.
Good.
Money na.
You have na?
No, have na.
You have na?
No, have na eh. So beautiful na Pilipinas. What time they will start make the house again? Again?
No, I don't know.
Why not?
I wait there to make the name. Make the name.
You talking to Amy Grandpa already?
They always tell me, it's okay na, you do that, okay. Okay. If waiting so many years, they don't have public. Public.
Oh. Their house is last time we go there, diba?
Another people the house na.
Oh. Same like I look in the TikTok. have so many this yellow in the back, then in there. Then another people the car will are
If you
so afraid.
I tell you, if you need to turn left, you will so crazy again. No, turn left is okay.
Maybe they have vegetable in here the same like I always eating also.
Yeah, the watermelon here now. They're waiting to go to the inside. Get too much the watermelon. Go back to see it.
Too much watermelon.
Orange, not there to get. Go back to see it.
So-
Where to get Monty?
Yes, okay.
Yay, talaga. Want to see me now?
We will die in here.
Just only can go inside. If you have another car, how to go outside? Talaga. Only one road, talaga. How to go outside?
Go to the mountain now. What do you expect? Have two roads? It's okay. Then.
Maybe this back have another car, right? So, oh, go where?
Oh, parking in here na. Then go back. But I look in this one in TikTok nga. They make this one in, this tree. May puti.
啊，里面进去有虫的吧？等下吧。
Galing din maghanap ng mushroom.
我都拿我吐司布，你看。Back nas too much mosquito no meio. If want to make the good inside the
Hanap to ng mushroom. Paano maghanap? Obi, in here, you look, you have small in here, oh. Have a small mushroom in here. This one can eating also?
Ano?
You take na, you give them na. So small na? Ganun pala. Yung nakukuha kasi nila malaki. Saan mo nakahanap yung malaking mushroom? Oh, in here have small also. Ganun. Maliliit. Paano sila nakahanap ng malalaki? Yung lalaki kasi nung nakuha nila guys. Hindi ko lang na-videohan. Malapit doon sa mushroom. Isda naman ito. Inikot pa nga. Ayan. Lakad lang ito. Nagtatabsong ang mga bata. Ang dami.
Ay, may tira.
Ito lang kinuha yan, oh. Ang galing, dami isda.
等你再摆好久，我就整早晚饭呗。其他的小娃仔其实还是我晓得他那个
Ito yung gamit namin. Ay, layo na pala ng nalakad. Ang lawak. Tapos ang daming isda. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Ang daming isda na naman nila nahuli. Ang galing. Kaya baka ma-report ako ni YouTube. Sabihin na may SP. I think I can get a small fish.
Yeah, I think get a fish. Put a toy in here, we can teach you.
He's so cute. Ope, in there, oh, you looking, they have fish in there now. Oh. Oh, may nagtatalo na nabi. They are jumping in there na, oh. Oh. Oy. Ang galing. Oh, so, you look at this one, they are so big now.
Yeah.
Dami.